Dongguan Future Precision Co. is an enterprise specializing in custom precision component manufacturing. Established in 2018 with a team of more than 40 staffs. We provide high-quality custom precision parts machining for various materials, such titanium, and professional technical support to our extensive client base, including jar casting mold, tooling, to ensure product craftsmanship and quality. The company is equipped with advanced processing and inspection equipment such as 5-axis machining centers, twin mill centers, CNC machining centers, CNC laders, a company-approved ISO and EVP systems.